When considering Nexcess for your web hosting needs, there are several important things to know before making a purchase. Comparing it to other options like Bluehost or SiteGround can help you understand where it stands out and where it might not meet your needs. First off, Nexcess is known for its managed WordPress hosting, but it doesn't just cater to WordPress. They also offer options for Magento, WooCommerce, and other content management systems, making it a flexible choice for a variety of businesses. This flexibility sets it apart from competitors like HostGator, which is more limited to general hosting. Next thing, Nexcess offers performance optimization features. They have built-in content delivery networks, CDNs, and caching systems to help websites load faster, something Bluehost doesn't emphasize as much. However, keep in mind that while speed is great, their more advanced features can come at a higher price point, which might make budget-conscious users look elsewhere. The third thing you should know is about scalability. Nexcess allows users to scale up easily, meaning you won't have to worry about outgrowing your hosting plan. This is a huge advantage over cheaper options like GoDaddy, which can charge extra for upgrades that Nexcess includes in its higher tier plans. Moving on, customer support is crucial when selecting a hosting provider, and Nexcess does a solid job in this area. They offer 24/7 support through live chat and phone, which can be helpful for those who need quick assistance. However, some competitors like SiteGround are known for offering even more personalized customer service experiences, so it's worth considering if that's important to you. The fifth thing to note is Nexcess's pricing structure. While they're competitive with mid-tier hosting providers, they can be more expensive than entry-level providers like Bluehost or A2 Hosting. It's worth understanding exactly what you're getting in each plan, as some features are only available in higher price tiers. Next thing, Nexcess offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is standard across the industry, but not as generous as some, like Hostinger, who offer 45 days. This gives you some time to test their service, but don't expect as long of a window to change your mind. The seventh thing to consider is their managed services. Nexcess takes care of a lot of the technical aspects, from backups to software updates, so you can focus on running your website. This is a great perk for business owners who don't want to get bogged down in technical details, but it also means you're paying for the convenience. In terms of security, Nexcess offers strong protection measures, including automatic malware removal and free SSL certificates, which is on par with what you'll find with most of its competitors. However, other providers like SiteGround go a bit further with proactive security monitoring, which might give some users peace of mind. Another important point is that Nexcess includes automatic daily backups, which can be a lifesaver if anything goes wrong. But do keep in mind, some competitors might offer more frequent backups or give you more control over your backup settings. The 10th thing is that Nexcess has a bit of a learning curve for beginners. Their dashboard isn't as user-friendly as others like Bluehost, which makes it slightly less appealing if you're just getting started with web hosting. Next up is their uptime performance. Nexcess offers a 99% uptime guarantee, which is standard, but they don't always meet this benchmark as consistently as other providers like SiteGround, known for their reliability. The 12th and final thing to mention is that while Nexcess is an excellent choice for scaling businesses that need robust features, it may not be the best for small websites or personal blogs. For those users, a more affordable option like Bluehost might be a better fit. So, is Nexcess a good option? Absolutely. It offers a lot of great features, especially for larger websites or businesses that need solid scalability and support. But if you're looking for a better deal or a more user-friendly experience, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.